Welcome to South Aussie Shooting channel, and we are reviewing the Adventure Kings heads-up display from Oztrekkers. Today they are $49.95, and this is because I went up in tyre size and the speedometer is off, so I needed something that will tell me the correct speed that I was going, and I haven't got a GPS yet or a mount for my phone to be able to use the GPS function, and so I bought this. It has a weight and a dimension on here, 17 by 13 by 4.5 centimeters, and a net weight of 145 kilogram, and a gross weight of 0.235 kilograms. Made in China. Comes in this little box. Unboxing it. We have the heads-up display in a bag, and here it's upside down, so then when you put the little mirror sticker on the window, it will display it in the correct way. This has the Speedo, it has GPS and north, south, east and west on it, in kilometers or miles per hour, and will light up green. Has a little power unit here, has the Adventure Kings logo on it, and it has a little dial here change settings. That's what you get in the box here. You have the 12 volt cigarette plug, and it's a fairly long cable. You also have here a little mat to put on your dash, which this sits on top of on the dash so it doesn't wiggle around, and it should stay up on the dash. So it comes with these instructions here, and the mirror sticky tape here. It's fairly big size, take up most of the window. It's about bigger than the rubber. Go through the manual here. Okay, might be a bit of glare. It says here, introduction to the HUD. The Adventure Kings HUD heads-up display contains multiple features that will make your driving experience easier and in turn safer. The main feature of the HUD is projecting your current speed onto your windscreen. Along with this, the HUD is also includes a current heading, north, east, south, west, and has a toggleable option for a speed alert, which will give an audible beep when the chosen speed, set default, is 150 k's. Additional information: the speed displayed on the HUD is for reference only. Operation adjustments on the HUD should not be performed while driving, and don't use chemical products to clean it. To cause damage with damp cloths should be sufficient. When leaving in the vehicle for extended amount of time, unplug the device and prevent battery depletion. And the unit display is the alarm, setting icon, driving directions, satellite signal information. A red flash indicates the device is looking for signal, green indicates the device is connected to satellite. Speed, light sensor, and speed unit in kilometers per hour. It says here it's forward and back, and it says here short press forward, display nothing, menu increase value, long press forward, factory settings, rapid increase value, short press in, select next setting, and the long press in menu and back to display mode. Long press back is decrease value, and long toggle back is speed alarm toggle, rapidly decrease value. There's menu options. Speed calibration default 107 and range is 80 to 120. Description is common for car manufacturers to display speed of the vehicle. Below that, the vehicle's actual speed is in case the HUD will show a different speed. That the vehicle odometer, you can calibrate this through the HUD, prevent discrepancies. If, for example, your odometer is showing 5 km, then your HUD, then you can adjust the value down from 107 to 102, and this will align the two speeds present to the driver. Default is 150 or 150 miles per hour. Over speed alarm and description, an audible beep will sound when the specified speed exceeded. You can disable this feature through the screen. Brightness adjustment, 0 automatic adjustment, range 0, 1 to 5. 1 is the faintest and 5 is the brightest. 0 kilometers an hour to 0 to 1 range, and 0 to 1 miles per hour. Automatic power cutoff 100, range 100 to 150. 100 is 10 volts to 15 volts, 150. When the unit detects a voltage drop below this amount, the device will turn off. Display mode 0, 0 to 1 range, 0 device projects data, 1 allows the read current speed directly off the unit. The specifications of the HUD size is 90 mils by 52 mils by 13 mils. HUD weight is 40 grams. A speed range from 0 to 400 kilometers an hour, 250 miles per hour. Satellite positioning time startup is 30 seconds, standby is 1 second. Compass precision is plus or minus 1. Working voltage 8 to 18 volts DC. 40 milliamps of working current, standby is 15 milliamps, and 1 amp car charger. Some troubleshooting to prevent default settings. Place the HUD display facing up and switch on the left. From there, press and hold the switch forward until all the lights on the unit light up. This indicates the HUD has been reset. Then repeat the command and revert to normal display mode. HUD is not lighting up when plugged into the car started. Make sure that device is correctly plugged into a cigarette lighter, providing power. And a clear, solid connection of the unit is still not providing receiving power. Then try another outlet of the vehicle. Inaccurate speed display. Ensure you're using the current unit of speed, and press and hold push function on the switch and navigate to button 1. Single cog, the default value be 107. Adjust the unit to your speed aligns with what displays on your odometer. If you have changed the tyre size of your vehicle, your odometer will be showing an incorrect speed. Project image is hard to see. If the image is unclear or hard to see, reflective film provided. If the reflective film is already applied, try manually increasing the brightness. Menu option 3, cog W E, the higher the number, the brighter the display. The unit value is 0, which will automatically adjust brightness based on the light levels. Can't find the GPS. The HUD, the first time it's powered, it will take 30 seconds to find it. And including installing the HUD is connect the HUD to the cigarette plug that provided cable. When the vehicle is turned on, the HUD will also turn on. The HUD will start receiving GPS signal indicated by the flashing satellite symbol. Position the HUD so that projected image is easy for the driver to see, and use the included non-slip mat to hold the HUD in place. Reflective film. The option to use protective film is up to the user. Use the film will ensure that the sharpest projected image possible. Additionally, it will make the projection easier to read and avoid multiple reflection ghost images. Installing the reflective film. Reflective film is easy. First, you will need to clean the area and then use a dry cloth. Afterwards, take off the adhesive cover and place the film so that the projected image is centered and clearly visible. Finally, you can use a flat item such as a bank card to remove air bubbles present under the film. You also receive 12-month warranty. It's a limited warranty from the date of purchase, and what the warranty covers and what it doesn't cover. Ring this number if you have any trouble. And that is all. We'll go outside and plug it in the car and test it out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We're testing out the Adventure Kings heads-up display. My tyres are 265 by 70 by 17, and they're about 4 kilometres out, and it's set to 4 kilometres, so it should be displaying the correct GPS amount. It also tells me the direction that I'm heading. It says east there. Now it's saying south. It's a fairly good unit, but sometimes hard to because you can actually see the little lines there, and 88 and 99 and stuff like that look pretty much the same, and it's a bit confusing. That's the brightest it goes at the moment, and it's still fairly hard to see during the day. It's better during dusky hours or in the nighttime driving. Has a 1 to 2 kilometres it's off, so you just have to get used to it changing. So 60, 59 could be 60, and 50, 61 could be also 60. So depending on what you set your kilometres thing to, then you can see from another GPS or your phone to see what the actual amount is.